Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm talking about how you can enable desktop mode in your mobile phone in OnePlus smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open Chrome and click on these three buttons and click on settings. Swipe down, go to site settings, swipe down, and here it is desktop mode. You have to simply enable this and press back. Friends, when you just click on any one of website, you can see it is now in desktop mode, and if you want to choose in mobile view, just click on and you have to just remove this, and you can see it is in now mobile view. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.